Hello, I'm Nadine and a very warm welcome. So today we're making cookie flower bouquets. We're going to make two kinds, roses and hydrangeas. They are so pretty and they make the perfect gifts for your friends, family, neighbors, perfect for Mother's Day. And I don't know who won't want to receive a bouquet that you can eat too. So let me show you how. Let me show you how to do the cookies. So this is just sugar cookie dough that I rolled out earlier. There's a whole video on how to make sugar cookies. I link it here and the recipes are on my website. So this is a 2.5-inch round cutter and I use two sizes. This for the roses and for the hydrangea they're a bit bigger. I think that's a 3-inch cutter. So you just cut it. You can use a skewer like this or a lollipop stick, both work. So I just wet it a little bit, it's easier that way. And then you just insert it inside the cookie. And don't worry if it's showing a bit because we're going to cover it with icing anyway. And this is how they're baked. For the rose bouquet, it's nice to have a leaf too, so that I just cut freehand. If you have a leaf cutter, you can use a leaf cutter. And we do the same thing. You want to insert it sort of halfway in so it's stable. That's it, then they're baked this way, and then once they cool we can decorate. Let's start with the rose cookies first. I have royal icing here. There's a whole video on how to make it. I will link it in the description and the recipe is on my website nadine.com. So what I've done is I've split it in half and I'm colored it a darker pink and a light pink. This is raspberry and this is rose. They're color mill colors. They're really good stuff. So what we'll do is I have a piping bag here fitted with a 2D tip. It's kind of like a closed star. I want to give it a slight two-tone effect. So this is what we'll do. We'll take the icing and kind of just press it on the sides. And then we turn it and do the same thing till we go all the way around. So now the bag is covered with the dark icing on the sides and there's like a hollow in the middle, and we're going to add the lighter icing inside. You can skip the two-tone effect, but it's worth it. It looks very pretty. So once you fill the cavity that we made with the light icing, just turn the bag over and push it in so it goes on the side and creates some pressure. And now we're going to pipe. So we start in the center and then go around. Just some pressure. Look how pretty! And I love the contrast of the dark and white pink. For the hydrangeas, I colored the royal icing violet, and it's the same 2D tip. But we're just going to pipe it differently and they look like hydrangeas. Look how pretty. I have some green royal icing here, and we're just gonna add some kind of like a leaf detail. That's it. It's ready. Now let's wrap these beauties up into the flower bouquets. So I just have this clear cellophane paper. I put that down, and then you can put some other paper down. Craft paper is best because the flowers are so beautiful, you don't want to take away from it. I can have craft paper, but the other side of this paper is brown, so that's why I'm using it. So you just, so what we should do is just arrange them like you want. Somehow I like an odd number, so do 3 or 5. Don't do more than 5, it just gets too heavy and it's difficult to move around. I'm going to lightly tape this so it kind of stays in place, and then you just cover them. And I'm going to tape this on the other side. You can seal the bottom. And I'll tie some ribbon. How gorgeous are these? With the roses, I wrapped them the same way, and these are the leaves we did. I just put some fondant on it because it saves you some drying time. It's quick, but you can also ice them with royal icing. And this is just so pretty. Let me have a moment with the roses as well. Look how pretty. Now I'm not going to taste these because I'm going to gift them and they're just too pretty to eat. But I know they're delicious because this is my tried and tested sugar cookie recipe. There's a whole video on it and it's all on my website. If you make these, I love seeing those pics, so tag me on Instagram or let me know how it went in the comments below. I'm gonna have these baking, dessert recipes and pretty presentation ideas here every week, so please remember to subscribe, like the video and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. I hope you share this with your loved ones. Until next time. Today we're making, what are we making? You can use this